A fully integrated iron and steel plant, Bokaro Steel is the country's first Swadeshi steel plant that was built with the maximum indigenous equipment, material and know-how. It produces both kill and semi-kill grades of steel. Thoroughly revamped and modernized, Bokaro Steel is today one of the country's largest source of flat steel products that offers a wide range of product mix of different grades and specifications, catering to the needs of wide range of industries and customers, including railways, wagon building industry, automobile, pipe and tube, white goods, barrels and drums, LPG cylinders. Spread over an area of 31,287.24 acres, including 18,657.48 acres for plant, 8,735.35 acres for township and rest for other utilities. Bokaro Steel Plant started taking shape in 1965 in collaboration with Soviet Union as the fourth integrated iron and steel plant in the public sector. It was first incorporated as a limited company on 29 January 1964 and later merged with Steel Authority of India Limited, first as a subsidiary and then as a unit. The first blast furnace was started on 2nd October 1972 and the first phase of casting of 1.7 million ton of ingot steel was completed on 26 February 1978. The ore handling shop with a total of 18 beds is equipped with tipplers, stackers and reclaimers. It receives, blends, screens various raw material and makes uninterrupted supply of consistent quality of raw material to different shops. All batteries in the coke ovens are either revamped or rebuilt. The completely rebuilt batteries 1, 2 and 5 have almost zero emission. Out of total 8 batteries, 6 batteries are in operation at present, which provide 2.61 million tons of blast furnace coke. Constant upgradation of sinter making facilities has expanded the production capacity of sinter from 3 sintering machines up to 6.9 million tons of sinter per annum. All 5 blast furnaces have been equipped with bell and stop charging system, double cast house and online monitoring through underburden hearths, ensuring improved hot metal quality with increased yield at low coke rate, and 4 furnaces have the coal dust injection facility. Combined capacity of blast furnaces is 5.25 million ton of hot metal per annum with 5 furnaces in operation. Installation of slag granulation plant in blast furnaces and use of biodiesel in locos reinforces BSL's commitment to eco-friendly practices. Steel is made in Steel Melting Shop 1 and 2 through the LD process. SMS 1 has 5 LD converters of 130 ton capacity each. SMS 2 has 2 LD converters of 300 ton capacity each. The plant has a production capacity of 4.36 million ton of crude steel per year. Processing of steel is done through both the ingot and continuous casting route. Commissioned in 1998, the continuous casting shop is equipped with 2 double-strand casters. It produces mild steel of drawing, deep drawing, boiler and tin plate quality and low alloy steel of LPG, SAIL core and API grade. Straight mold, slab caster and eddy current based automatic mold level control system ensures casting of internally clean and defect-free slabs with superior surface finish. Commissioned in December 1974, the slabbing mill processes the ingots from SMS1 with a capacity of 1.9 million ton of rolled slab per annum. The hot strip mill, commissioned in December 1975, is designed to roll thin and wide strips of thickness varying from 1.8 mm to 16 mm and width from 930 mm to 1830 mm. Hot strip mill has 4 reheating furnaces, including walking beam furnaces, modernized finishing strands with hydraulic AGC and 4 hydraulic coilers. Post-modernization, the capacity of hot strip mill has gone up to 4.5 million tons of HR coil. HR coils from hot strip mill are either sheared and finished to desired sizes in HRCF or re-rolled in cold rolling mill for thinner gauge strip with very smooth and dense finish with improved mechanical properties. The cold rolling mill 1 and 2 have 2 pickling line, 2 tandem mills, DCR mill and associated facilities along with a hot dip galvanizing line. The new state-of-the-art 1.2 million ton capacity cold rolling mill 3 will enrich the plant's product portfolio and help meet the future customer requirements. Bokaro Steel Plant has also developed a comprehensive support network including water management, captive power plant and engineering and repair shops, centralized maintenance shops, fire services and traffic network. With deep conviction in its innate ability to excel and sight set firmly on the impending growth trajectory, Bokaro Steel holds the prospect of becoming the country's largest single-location steel manufacturer.